Hey family, I just wanted to get on here. I had this situation when I was doing some hires, so I just want to just bring this to you guys' attention because this is critical too. Is a cleaning company a under the table business? Is a cleaning company, or should I say, is a commercial cleaning company a under the table business? And the answer to that is no. We are not an under the table business. Any business that asks you for a W-9 is reporting your income, your revenue to the IRS, which means you have to pay taxes on it. Now, I know when we first start our business, we grab people, no documentation, they're not an employee, they're not a contractor, they're just help. That's how you see it at first. But let me tell you where the long consequences of that mindset takes you. Because what ends up happening is you're paying taxes for all those people that you paid over $600. You're paying all of their taxes. And I'm telling you from my experience. Because when you don't have nobody to teach you, and you just cleaning, growing, cleaning, and you're picking up people, you can't afford to make them an employee, plus you don't even know how to do that. Subcontractor, you don't know nothing about that. Or who could you subcontract that's going to help a small business like me? So that was the mindset. And then when my accountants say, you took $100,000 out the business. And I be saying to them, I ain't took no $100,000 out the business. All them people that I would hire didn't have them in no system, no payroll, no contractor, which is under the table. I had to pay all them people's taxes. I'm still paying all them people's taxes from back then. So I just want to tell you, as fast as you can, get them people in some kind of what's the word I want? You got to get them in some kind of category. They got to be in some kind of category. You know, just know that you'll end up paying their taxes. So, and this is why people subcontract. So the little person can grow their business, make revenue while they're growing their own business, to be able to get the practice and the management skills of managing people so that they can do their own bigger contracts. That's really how it goes, because at first, don't nobody know who you are. And plus, you're not, unless you get a huge contract, which if you do in your small, you're setting yourself up anyway because you don't have the capacity. So unless you get a large opportunity to share with a larger company that has the capacity, you're not ready for that. Trust me, this is serious. This is serious. And you have to have the revenue to be able to support that. So grow your business subcontracting, and so you can learn the business. So you can learn the business and make some money at the same time, until you get your own clients, until you learn how to do your walkthroughs, and until you learn how to bid and stuff. And then working in other people's contracts teach you which ones you want or you don't want, And it gives you an idea on how to price it because you did a building similar to that already. So I'm kind of going on and on, but my point is, don't pay people's taxes too long. The guy asked me, he said, he gonna come to the interview, and then he texts me back and asked me, was it under the table? Told him, no, my business don't do under the table. Only people who could do under the table is cash businesses. People who got to report to the IRS how much money they made. But when you deal with corporate clients, they report how much money you made. So you have to pay taxes on that. And anything you can't account for in your business is on you. And you got to pay taxes on it. So if you don't got them people's I-9, W-4, or you don't got no W-9 or nothing, you paying no taxes. So I just wanted to get on here and say that real quick. And I also created a survey, and I want to see if you guys would answer the questions on the survey for me. All right, I'll put it out. There's going to be a job form, so I'll put it out there as soon as I can find a way that it doesn't look like it's scam or something. But, okay, you guys, just don't pay people's taxes too long.